I'm going to show you how you can easily remove multiple accounts on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app and then hit right here at that profile icon to open up your TikTok profile. On that page you can easily check if you are already logged into multiple TikTok accounts. Just hit right here at your TikTok username, and that shows you all of your accounts that you are currently logged in. And let's say I want to log out of the second account, and let me show you how you can easily do so. So first hit right here at three lines icon, then tap at Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can find two different options. The first one is Switch Account and the second one is Logout. So first off, hit at Switch Account and switch to the account you want to log out. After that, you will be able to do the same steps again. Hit three lines, Settings and Privacy, scroll down, and now you can hit at Log Out and then hit at Log Out again to sign out of current TikTok account. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.